Tired of pixelated patterns ruining your designs? Let's transform that into a scalable, editable vector pattern right now. First, import your chosen raster pattern into Adobe Illustrator by going to File and clicking Place. Position this image on your artboard. Next, we'll use the Image Trace feature. Select your pattern, and in the Properties panel, you'll see different tracing presets. Experiment with options such as High Fidelity Photo for complex designs, or Black and White Logo for simpler ones. Choose a preset and watch Illustrator work its magic. Click on the drop-down to select Tracing Controls. It will give you the option to manage the paths, corners, noise, and method. Adjust these sliders to refine your pattern, reducing unwanted detail or smoothing edges. Remember, the higher the number on paths, the more complex your vector will be, so find the sweet spot balancing detail and editability. Once you're happy with the trace result, click Expand in the Properties panel with the image still selected. This turns the traced image into editable vector shapes. Now your raster pattern is transformed into a vector. You can edit and manipulate the colors easily, resize it to any scale without any quality loss, and change the elements within the design as well. Experiment with different patterns, explore various tracing settings, and add a new dimension to your patterns with editable, scalable vector art. That is the key to your success. Don't forget to like and subscribe.